Welcome to update number 10. I just want to fill you in on the progress I've been making. There was a little delay because my camera stopped working on me, and that wasn't as big a delay as the fact that since it was broken, I thought I could fix it. Well, you can just figure how that worked out. So, got another camera. This is the pretty much finished. Let me get down and show you how it's going. I got new numbers on it, painted the sides and the bottom. I got the deck and the inside of the boat all painted. It looks, I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like there's dirt on the floor. That's actually non-skid. These hatches lift up. Inside the hatches are, that's where my batteries and gas is stored. The engine compartment has those black fasteners right there. I'll show you how that works. Those spin off. And I put a little handle on there to make it easier to take off. I've also installed the throttle cable and the choke cable. They come out over here. You can see my gauge, a little gauge board there. I went ahead and installed that amp meter after all. So I've got the amp, water, volts, and temperature, and tachometer. That switch right there is the lights. There's a starter. And I put my throttle and all that, throttle and choke underneath the little dash. Also got the seat. Got the seat in place. Rudder. So anyway, still have time, so I'll show you the inside of the engine compartment. I'm doing this video what I'm doing is I'm going to be attaching the my GPS and my radio up on top of this top cover, and then I can, if I need to take the cover off, see, the cover covers up my electronics. Not electronics, really, just my wiring. I've got two different bus systems there. That first bus system right there is for the regular ignition gauges and all that stuff. Whenever the ignition's turned on, all that stuff comes on. And then I have an additional bus over here an additional bus right there and that's where my accessories are, and they're controlled by these switches right here. This switch right here controls the accessory bus, and this switch right here controls the regular run bus. So I can isolate the battery in two places, and I can also run my radio and bilge pumps and lights and GPS and all that without energizing the main run circuit. My dash came out okay. It's not square, but it's all right there in front of you. And my little shift arm, showed in the last update, right here. It's right there, and all the painting's done. All I'm doing now is waiting to find me a young guy to go with me, because when I test this thing, I want to make sure I got some young and reckless people with me. All right, that's the name of the game. So there it is. It's all take apartable and rainproof and watertight and ready to test. So I think in the next update will be the actual launching. So thanks for watching, and I hope to be getting some comments. Thank you.